Hello. I'm gonna talk at a really low volume level because I don't want to shut the house down, but I seem to have a really big problem with getting cloth physics working. This is my old rig. That's my old one, but it doesn't work that well. This is the new one I've got, and it's a new one. It's called Rigify. It works really well, and the reason why I'm sticking to this rig is because I'm trying to fix all the problems I had in my old rig, because there was this arm twisting problem I had where the character's arm would just like really explode and stuff. But I seem to come across a new problem, and I've even used Google and everything to try and fix it, and it just doesn't work. So I'll just showcase what happens, right? When I use cloth physics on the sleeve, it's like it works perfectly fine, like that. So it's like, oh, it works perfectly fine there. But I apply the same thing onto the other rigged version, which is supposedly better, and it does this. I have no idea what's going on with it, and I'll show you that the where is it? Sleeps. There it is. Right. I'll show you that there is supposed to be something called a pin that you're supposed to apply to, and that's the selected pin I've got there, and they're both exactly the same here. So when I go here, it's exactly the same. It doesn't really matter what they're called, even if it's capitalized and stuff, because it's where it works very similarly, and the topography is the same, so I don't know what's going on there. So it's like, why does it work for one rig and yet it doesn't? And I have actually put it on subsurf last on both of them anyway, and I've applied the same thing there. But it's really strange because Rigify can do certain things better at the arm twisting problem, which I had in which I showcased in one of my other videos. So it's basically, why do both rigs have a big problem that it can't seem to compute for some reason? So I've even tried hitting the forums and they just don't have the answer. So I've decided I'm going to make a quick video trying to say, how do I get this to work exactly? I've tried a lot of different solutions. Now I don't know what advice I can actually say, because the model's very similar in topography, and I'm applying this exact same vertex groups for the pinning and everything, but yeah, it doesn't work. The skirt also does a similar thing where it just doesn't work correctly. It's supposed to fall, but it just doesn't, but I'm not going to show that. So I have no idea what's going on, so I'll have to try and find a solution real quick, because otherwise I'm stuck. Anyway, I'll see you around in a bit then.